Here are some tips for using great stuff. First off, always wear gloves, safety glasses, and old work clothes when using great stuff. Cover the floor with a drop cloth or newspaper around the area where great stuff will be applied. The propellant in the can of great stuff is a hydrocarbon. That means that great stuff is flammable during dispensing. Do not smoke or use great stuff near open flames. Shut off pilot lights and any other possible sources of ignition until great stuff is hardened completely. Great Stuff Gaps and Cracks meets National Evaluation Report number 645, where it's approved as a fire block material, not a fire stop. Because of its expansion and adhesive characteristics, Great Stuff also acts as a smoke block. After screwing the threaded end of the straw assembly securely onto the can valve, practice dispensing the foam onto a sheet of newspaper or into a garbage can. As Great Stuff sealant is applied, fill the opening less than 50% full to allow for the expansion of the foam. Overfilling can cause wasted product and messy cleanups. For large voids, use Great Stuff Big Gap Filler in layers, misting water between the layers to speed up curing. If you do happen to overfill the area, there's an easy remedy. Once the Great Stuff is dried, trim the excess foam with a knife or serrated blade. If the can is set aside during use, the foam in the straw applicator could harden. Simply cut the straw at the point where the hardness ends and continue the application. If there's foam left in the can when the job is completed, spray the tip of the straw applicator and the valve on the can with a spray lubricant. Leave the straw on the can, take a pipe cleaner soaked in the lubricant, and stuff it down the straw. Depending on how long Great Stuff has been stored, using the pipe cleaner may allow reuse of the product.